Details of your father. Okay. So Smith is B, and I'll go for this. So Smith. So I don't need John here. Oh, I'm sorry, Peter Smith. Peter Smith. Do you remember the date of birth? Of course, you need to remember for your daddy. Just sample video. Personal details of your mother. Okay. Smith, I can copy from here. If anyone is deceased, you need to provide the details. Country, territory of birth. Okay, now we have reached the question here. Have you been convicted of a crime offenses Canada? Okay, no. Now read this very carefully and then answer. Okay, do not go for any misrepresentation. Refugee protection in Canada, refuse refugee status, leave Canada, will involve a genocide war, education. Give a number of schools you have successfully completed for each of the following level. So university 4, high school let's say 2, and this I say prime. And let me do 5 plus 7 and 4. Okay. Like 1 to 5 in India, primary, then high school, and then university college 4. Give the details of full information. Well, and definitely including secondary and post secondary. So that you need to do because there's a sample video. I'm skipping this, but you definitely provide all the information. If you want to add more, click on add another. I just skipped it, but you provide that information. Personal history. Birthdays of personal history for past 10 years or since your 18th birthday if it is less than 8 years ago. So for this guy, born in 1998. So 18 years will be 2008 plus 8, 2016. Yeah, so since 2016 onwards. Start with your more activity. Okay. Personal history. Activity. So if you're studying, working, anything that you're doing that you need to do. So let's say this guy in India, typically in 18 years, people go for graduation, right? So he 18 to 22 he did graduation. So and from there he got a job. So the most recent one that he's still doing, okay, let's say he's doing job. So 2016, 20, so let's say 2020 he's doing job. So I'll just do like this. 2020, 10, working, city, time, City, town, and country. New Delhi, India. Status, citizen. Name of the employer. New Delhi, IT. And of course, since 18 he has to do, so I'm just doing like, let's say, graduation activity too. In into 20 or 2016, sorry. 20 to 16, 20 to 4 years, let's say this guy has studied. Activity, studying. New Delhi, India. Hmm, I think person, citizen. Name of the company, employer, school facility. Let's say he studied at New Delhi Best Test College. Wow, good name. Only thing is it does not exist. Second, continue. Membership and association with organization. What organization have you supported, been member of, include any political, social, youth, or social organization, trade organization, or professional associations? Do not use abbreviations. So definitely you provide as per your situation. But I assume this guy hasn't done anything, so nothing. Government position. Wow. Police officer, judge, civil servant, employee in a security organization. I assume no. Military, paramilitary services, I select no. But you know what? What we can do? Membership and write none. Yeah, this one. None in the first word if you have not done, if you have never done it. Just say none. Okay? Just leave, don't leave it blank. None. None in the first employed field. Oh, I'm sorry. I clicked on another rather than going. Here also write none in first input field. None. Perfecto. Let me just read through the instructions. I'm trying to give a sample. Where you have lived in past 10 years or since your 18th birthday. Okay. So I'll just do 2016, 10. That was his birthday. Let's see, but if you need to add more address, like if you have lived in multiple, that's it. You need to provide that information. Okay. So we have come out and this form is also